Assalamualaikum everyone, this is me Maheen and welcome to my channel Cooking with Mahi. So today I'll show you all how to make chicken karahi. We also call it Lahori chicken, and with the same masala you can even make beef or mutton karahi too. So what are we required for the chicken karahi is half kg of chicken with bones, 2 diced tomatoes, 2 medium sized onion puree, 1 cup of yogurt, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, half cup of oil, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of Kashmiri lal mirch, 1 tablespoon of garam masala, 1 tablespoon of cumin powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder. So these are the ingredients to make Lahori chicken karahi. Let's start on the recipe. In a wok, add half cup of oil, add chicken and fry until its color changes. Now add ginger garlic paste, fry until fragrant. Now add onion puree in it and fry until onions are slightly brown in color. Now add diced tomatoes and cook until tomatoes are soft. add some green chilies. Now add all spices. Now cover for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, give it a nice mix. Now add yogurt in it and give it a nice mix. Now again cover and cook few minutes. Now add 1 cup of water or as required for the gravy. Oil is completely separated. Now give it a mix. So our Lahori chicken is ready to serve now. You can serve it with chapati, paratha or rice. I hope you guys like this recipe. Do give it a try and give your feedback in the comment section below that how it turned out for you. If you guys are new in my channel, so do subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.